Your attack surface is complex and ever-expanding in an increasingly cloud-native world. The modern defender understands security is changing too, and that utilizing analytics to combat malicious activity has never been more important. Uptycs is the tool of choice for modern defenders, offering advanced detection of attacks and helping create a strong defensive posture to neutralize them. The platform gathers high-fidelity signals from an array of telemetry sources across your entire attack surface, including all endpoints, cloud workloads, and cloud infrastructure. With a powerful streaming analytics engine and data pipeline, you gain access to a wealth of structured security data in real time. Data summarizations and visualizations offer easy-to-understand insights and measurable security performance metrics. Plus, with no black box detections, easily find the answers you need for detections and remediation, investigations, compliance, and more. Uptycs helps modern defenders speed time to detection, conduct better investigations, and deliver better security outcomes, which can translate into better ROI from your security program. Sign up for your live demo now and see Uptycs in action.